Good morning, students. Myself, Charu Mahajan, your computer teacher. Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to learn very interesting software, which is the part of MS Office. We can create presentation in that. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is Microsoft PowerPoint. We are going to learn about Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation program which is developed by Microsoft. It provides various views, tools which you can use to build a presentation. That includes Word, graphics, and media. Through presentations, you can communicate your ideas, messages, and other information to a group of people. Presentation is an easy way to communicate with a number of people at a single time. Features of PowerPoint. PowerPoint contains several features for creating a presentation. You can add text, shapes, drawings, pictures, photos, smart art, chart, videos, sound, and last but not the least is the animation, which makes the PowerPoint differ from other softwares. It gives you the flexibility to make the presentation using a projection device attached to the personal computer and using the slides. Now, let's start learning PowerPoint practically. How we can create our presentation in PowerPoint. So we just begin with practical session. So when we open our PowerPoint, we get this screen. This is known as the welcome screen of PowerPoint. Whenever we start creating new presentation, we get it in the normal view. This is the normal view of PowerPoint. Here are three sections of this screen. One is the slide pane. The miniature of each slide is shown here, which you are going to create. And this is your slide. One page of your presentation is known as the slide. And the collection of slides in a sequence on a related topic is known as the presentation. Okay, let's start creating a presentation. Here I am going to start the presentation on the topic festivals, Indian festivals. I have written the topic name here. Here I am going to write presented by okay. This is the way to write the title in your presentation. We can move these by clicking on the border of the text box. If we don't click on that border of the text box, it can't be moved. If I'm here, I'm not at the border, it will not move the box. It will move in the text only. Move the cursor in the text only. So if I have to move it, then I have to click on the border, and then after selecting it, I can move it anywhere. Okay, we can move with the help of the arrow key as well as with the mouse. We can move it. Now, the second thing is this is very blank slide. Na? It's not looking very interesting. We have to fill colors in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the font style and I'm going to give the text color. Okay. Now, and the same here we can do. We can change the font. Whatever I want, I can choose it. Okay. And now the font color. I can choose the font color also. Okay. But still, the slide is white, so it's not looking very interesting. What we'll do, we just format the background of the slide by right click on it. Format background option. By format background option, we get this menu: solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture, or the pattern fill. I have explained you in the theory session. So here I'm directly going to choose the picture option and inserting a picture here from a file. I'm choosing it from a file. Okay. Here are the backgrounds. I have already downloaded some backgrounds. You can also download from the internet. And I choose this option and insert. Now it's not looking, it's very, I can position my text. Okay. So now it looks very interesting and attractive. So you got how we make the slides in PowerPoint. So move forward. Now we move on to create a new slide. One more slide we are adding in our presentation. Through Home tab, we get the option New Slide. Just click on it, or you can press the shortcut Control plus M for creating the new slide. Now again, we just right click on it in Format Background. First, we just add some picture. Okay, from a file. Here is my folder. So I can add a background in it. Okay. Now we can add text to it. We can go to the layout. These are the different layout. This is the blank slide. This is title only. If we want title slide, it will give us the two options to write the title and the subtitle. It's the section header. This is the title only. If we have to compare something, we can use this. This is the concept with the caption and the images. This is picture with the caption. So we can choose any layout format for our presentation. I'm here choosing picture with the caption. Here we can add some picture. Whatever we have, I can add. Here, this is which festival? This is Holi. So I'm going to write it here, the title. What I can do is, I can change the font side by side and the font size also. I can increase. Okay. And I can move it a little bit up. And now I can change the text color also. We can add some lines on Holi. Okay, whatever the text we want to write, we can write here about the festival. Then we can choose the font and the font size and the color of the text also. Okay, this is the alignment buttons. I am just going to do it the justify. Okay, like this. So this is the way how we create our presentation. Hope you understand the concept of creating a presentation, and it will help you in creating different presentation at home. Okay, you just try to create the presentation, make the presentation and send it to me. Okay, I just wait for your presentations. Bye everyone, see you soon in the next session.